Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. These hairstyles are simple, easy to manage and still look very stylish. As we grow older, we want hairstyles that save time and effort. We don't want to spend too much time in front of the mirror. That's why low maintenance haircuts are the best choice. Let's explore some easy and beautiful haircut ideas. First is the short layered cut. This haircut is very popular. It adds volume and makes your hair look fuller. You don't need much styling, just comb your hair and you are ready to go. Next is the classic bob cut. The bob cut is simple and elegant. It works well for almost all face shapes. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. It always looks neat and clean. Another great option is the pixie cut. This is a very short haircut. It is perfect for women over 50. It is perfect if you want something super easy. It dries quickly and needs very little styling. It also gives a fresh and modern look. Now let's talk about the shoulder length cut. If you like a bit longer hair, this is a good choice. You can keep it natural or add soft waves. It does not need much work and still looks beautiful. So you can also try blunt bob. This style has straight, even ends. It looks simple and classy. It is easy to maintain and gives a healthy look to your hair. Another great idea is the feather hair. This style is soft and light. It adds movement to your hair and looks very natural. It is also easy to manage. If you have natural curls, go for a short curly haircut. Let your curls stay natural. This saves time and looks very stylish. Just use a little product to keep curls in shape. Now let's talk about some easy tips. Choose a haircut that matches your hair type. If your hair is thin, go for layers. If it is thick, you can try a simple cut. Use a good shampoo and conditioner to keep your hair healthy. Healthy hair always looks better with less effort. Trim your hair regularly. This keeps your haircut fresh and neat. Avoid using too many styling tools. Let your hair stay natural. Also choose a style that fits your daily routine. If you are busy, go for shorter styles. Remember, simple is beautiful. You don't need a complicated hairstyle to look good. Confidence is the most important thing. When you feel comfortable, you look very best. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.